We got a big hearing on Biden's vaccine mandate coming up in the Supreme Court this Friday. Let's welcome to the show from the House Republican Doctors Caucus. He's Congressman Larry Bucshon. Congressman, it's great to have you on. We've got vax mandates hitting a wall of resistance in court. A judge just blocked the Pentagon from forcing a vaccine mandate on troops. What's the fallout of that?
Well, I think, first of all, there's two separate issues here. There's the mandate for the private sector and the government contractors, and then the mandate related to the U.S. military. And I think they're two separate issues. I'm adamantly against the mandates for the private sector and government contractors. I think there's constitutional issues. The DOD decision on vaccines, I think, comes down to them denying exemptions to the vaccine, which they do for all of their other vaccines. And I think that's where the rub comes. You know, if you join the military, and I was a Navy reservist, there's a plethora of vaccinations that you're required to get, and I understand why they have added the COVID vaccine. But I think the big issue is here, they're just denying everyone religious exemptions or medical exemptions to the vaccine, which I think is where the problem lies.
So 80 troops have died from COVID-19. The Pentagon is concerned about soldiers infecting each other, but the federal judge ruled in favor of 35 Navy sailors. They, on religious grounds, said they should not have to take a vaccine made out of aborted fetal stem cell lines, and the judge said this is a constitutional First Amendment issue. So how is this going to shape vaccine mandates going forward?
First of all, I think the judge is correct. I think that's what I mentioned before. If you look at the reason for exemptions, a religious exemption based on your religious beliefs is valid. And in this case, vaccines were developed from fetal cell lines decades old, and really thousands of cell lines have been developed from those over the years. But it's a legitimate concern that some people have staunch religious objections to that, and I think the judge is correct, and I think the DOD needs to reconsider these exemptions, because I think on constitutional grounds that the judge is correct.
Okay, let's move on to this big one. Another federal judge agreed with 24 states, ruled in their favor. He blocked Biden's vaccine mandate for the Head Start school program in 24 states, also said no to masks for children age 2 and up. New York Times even running out a story that children are really suffering being kept out of school and remote learning. They're seeing health problems with our children, including suicides among young teenage girls. So this pandemic is really hitting our kids hard. Your reaction to the victory of these 24 states who winning in the Head Start program, no vaccine mandate for the Head Start program. What do you say to that?
Well, again, I think that's correct. Again, the Head Start is obviously a government-funded agency. That said, it's essentially different Head Starts around the country, which are mainly the private sector. And also, if you look at the data on children, you know, it's just ridiculous to mandate vaccination for young children when the data just doesn't necessarily bear out the fact that they get severe disease and actually necessarily require vaccination in the first place. So I think, again, this is another government overreach. I think that the judge, again, is correct, ruling for the states that you should not have a federal mandate in these programs, especially for young children, because their parents can make these decisions for them. They're young children, and it really takes away the parental rights, I think.
All right, Congressman Bucshon, we want to thank you for joining us on the show. We want to also wish our very best to Pentagon Chief Lloyd Austin. The general has come down with COVID-19.